When most people hear of Tantra, if they don't know anything about it, they think it's about making love in weird pretzel positions, hanging from the ceiling or uh, twisting and turning in ways that most of us are not limber, or standing on your head, or all these kinds of things. And it's not to say that Tantra doesn't include those things. It might, but it's not about that. It's not really about that. None of that is necessary. You don't have to be limber. You don't have to be anything other than yourself. And I know Kenneth Ray Stubbs told a story about, he wrote a book about Tantra and nobody bought it. And then when he called it something like 50 Positions of Tantric Love, that book became a bestseller. So people like this idea that there's some kind of secret posture out there. And there might be a posture out there for you. Go ahead and experiment with them. But it's not the definition of Tantra. The definition of Tantra is meeting the divine in sacred sexuality, cultivating the body, cultivating the relationship with the partner, making love in a relaxed way, which at times may be not so relaxed, but it's always coming back to a state of relaxation, coming back to a state of connection. That this is more important than performing orgasms. We often don't even have orgasms in Tantra because it's not really what we're there for. We're there for these extended states of pleasure and connecting with our partner. And that may or may not happen in a weird pretzel position.